5 critical mistakes you're making when soaking pumpkin seeds. You soak pumpkin seeds to make them healthier, but you might be destroying the very minerals that help digestion, sleep, and belly fat control. And the worst part? The mistake almost everyone makes is the one they believe is safest. Pumpkin seeds look simple. Rinse them, soak them. Done, right? Not even close. Soaking changes enzymes, texture, and how well you absorb magnesium and zinc. Do it right, and you support gut health, cravings, and energy. Do it wrong, and you get slimy seeds, blocked nutrients, and even bloating. Today, you'll learn the most common mistakes and how to fix them without supplements, fancy tools, or guesswork. But stay with me, because mistake number 4 is the one that quietly ruins digestion and can even trigger stomach trouble, even if the seeds look clean. Mistake number 1, using cold tap water. Cold water slows enzyme activation. Minerals stay trapped, seeds stay tough, and tap water can carry chlorine, which affects taste and may lower nutrient value. Fix: use warm, filtered water, not boiling. Think gentle bath warmth. Add a pinch of salt or a squeeze of lemon to support activation. Mistake number 2, skipping the rinse. Seeds can carry dust, shell fragments, and phytic acid. That thin layer is why some people feel gassy or bloated after eating them. Fix: give them a quick warm rinse before soaking. It takes seconds and improves digestion and flavor. Mistake number 3, wrong timing. Soaking for too short does nothing. Soaking for too long encourages fermentation and bacteria growth. You'll notice odor, slime, and dull color. Fix: aim for 8 to 12 hours, enough to soften the seeds, reduce anti-nutrients, and avoid mold. And if you think mistake number 3 is bad, mistake number 5 can ruin seeds even if you soak them perfectly. Mistake number 4, using sugary or dairy liquids. This is the mistake most people never think about. Juice, milk, and flavored liquids seem creative. But sugar feeds bacteria, and dairy blocks zinc and iron absorption. And that can actually work against belly fat and gut balance, the very reasons many people eat pumpkin seeds in the first place. Fix: stick to warm filtered water. For flavor, use lemon, salt, or herbal tea, without sugar. Mistake number 5, storing seeds, wet and warm. This is the costly one, even if you soak perfectly. Storing wet seeds in warm conditions creates the perfect setup for mold, and keeping them in plastic traps, moisture, and causes odors. Fix: drain well. Pat dry. Use low heat to dry completely. Store in a glass jar in the fridge. This keeps them fresh, crunchy, and safe. Most people don't realize this. Pumpkin seeds aren't just a snack. When soaked correctly, they support calmer sleep, steady energy, digestion, and reduced cravings, all of which support belly fat control. Done wrong, you lose minerals, risk bloating, and waste money on food that doesn't help your body. Here's the simple takeaway. It's not just what you eat, it's how you prepare it. If this helped, hit like and share. Subscribe for simple, science-backed habits that make healthy eating easier, not confusing. Now that you know how to soak pumpkin seeds correctly, watch my video. Top morning drinks to melt belly fat. It pairs perfectly with this one and boosts digestion even more.